In this problem, we want to solve this absolute value equation. So we got the absolute value of 9x minus 1 over 7 is equal to 4. Now whatever's inside our absolute values are p, and then the other side is our q. This is assuming the absolute value is by itself, which it is. Now our formula is p is equal to q and p is equal to negative q. So everywhere we have a p, we'll plug in 9x minus 1 over 7. Everywhere we have a q, we'll plug in 4. So this gives us 9x minus 1 over 7 is equal to positive 4. And 9x minus 1 over 7 is equal to a negative 4. Now we're going to solve each one of these down. This is a linear equation. First step, get rid of parentheses, don't have any. Second step, get rid of fractions. Multiply everything by the LCM of all your denominators. We only have one denominator, the 7, so we're going to multiply everything by 7. So we'll multiply it times the fraction on the left side, and we'll multiply it times the 4. These 7's cancel. And we got 9x minus 1 is equal to 7 times 4 is 28. Get everything with an x on one side, numbers on the other side. So I'm going to take the negative 1, move to the right side. Remember, when you take anything across your equals, your sign changes. So our constant term, the negative 1, becomes a positive 1. Combine together numbers in a step. 28 plus 1 is 29. Then the last step is divide both sides by a number in front of your x, which is 9. And we end up with x is equal to 29 over 9. Now we want to do the same thing on this other side. First step, get rid of parentheses, don't have any. Second step, get rid of fractions. Multiply everything by the LCM of all your denominators. We only have one denominator, which is 7, so that's our LCM. So we'll multiply it times our fraction, and we'll multiply it times the negative 4 on the right side. Now the 7's cancel here, and we're left with 9x minus 1. 7 times negative 4 is negative 28. Next step, third step, get everything with an x on one side, numbers on the other. So I'll take negative 1 over the right side. I'm going to do that, it becomes a positive 1. Combine together numbers in a step. Negative 28 plus 1 gives us negative 27. Last step is divide both sides by the number in front of your x, which is a 9. And negative 27 divided by 9 gives us negative 3. And those will be our two answers.